Anuprayaas welcomes you to the Patna Junction, one of the busiest railway station of India, successfully made accessible by the Anuprayaas with the support of Standard Chartered Bank. Patna Railway Station has been made now accessible for the people with disabilities by installing Braille maps, Braille booklets, Braille signages, and QR codes. Braille booklets are made available at information service desks for blind and visually impaired passengers to access. These booklets can provide important information about train schedules, routes, and safety procedures in a format that can be read independently through touch. Braille maps has been installed at the main entry with complete blueprint of the entire railway station inscribed in Braille as well as in English language in order to provide a brief overview of the railway station. A scannable QR code is also installed which redirects people to the sign language YouTube video which explains all the details about the railway station. On railway platform, Braille indicators are installed used to provide information about the platform number, the direction of travel, and other important details about the train serving. Braille indicators on railway platform are designed to provide information to blind and visually impaired individuals about the location and direction of trains. These indicators typically consist of a series of raised dots arranged in a specific pattern that can be read by touch. Portable ramps and wheelchairs have also been provided to assist people using wheelchair to board trains easily.